Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Hunter, and in this video I like to show you how to recover deleted data files folder in memory card or pen drive. Unfortunately, sometimes our important data files delete from our computer or smartphones. At the cost, we have to suffer for it. If this problem also happen with you, don't worry, you can recover your maximum data files with this trick. So let's go started. First of all, we have to need an software for it. So open your browser and download this software. You will get its download link in my video description box. Here you will get also its Mac version in the bottom. If you are a Mac user, then click here. There are same process between Windows or Mac. As I am Windows user, so I will download Windows version. To download it, simply click on it. After download it successfully, then install it. It takes some time for complete installation. Make sure that you have internet connection in installing time. After complete installation, here I have a pen drive. Now I'm gonna format it for explain recovery process. And now we have to open our software. And here you have to select the drive where you lost your data file and folder. And it will automatically start scanning your drive and find out your lost data file and folder. Wait some time for complete scanning. After complete scanning, then here we can see some data files recovered here. To recover them successfully and save it to your computer, select them which you want to recover. And then click on recover option. And select the drive where you want to save your recovered data. As I want to save them in my pen drive, so I will select here pen drive. And then click on save. Here you can see my lost data file recovered successfully in my pen drive. I hope this video will helpful for you. To get more this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.